It's a pretty snowy scene as the week begins. If this is the first update you've seen, you should know that they come out on a Sunday. If they're interesting to you, please consider subscribing to be sure that you don't miss any. There's clearly work remaining between the new passenger terminal and the North Finger Dock. Beside Ontario Street, snow is being cleared for work to commence in that area. Looking down the site on Tuesday morning, a new protected area can be seen around the bubbler cabinet. And a team from Rose Mechanical are seen making preparations. Come Tuesday afternoon, work can be seen preparing tubing for service. Work in the area of the future passenger boarding bridge appears to have paused, but there's lots of activity inside the new passenger terminal. Work alongside Ontario Street appears largely to involve consolidation. This will lead into further work on Wednesday, likely involving power connections to the site. Work continues on the bubbler system. Stick around to the end to see the outcome. Over on the North Finger Dock, holes are being drilled to accept the base for a vacuum mooring point. Nearby, work on that critical area of recent excavation is continuing, with an occasional pause for essential refueling. As the Wolf Islander 3 once again docks in Kingston on Friday, there are some interesting revelations. The large green storage tank that has been on site for some weeks appears to have found its final resting place. The area of the passenger loading bridge is being kept workable for future development. Preparations for concrete testing on the south side of the ramp suggest the imminent arrival of that medium, and so it proves to be. And that leaves just one subject with which to round off a productive week. I said we'd come back to the bubbler. Here's the very attractive and doubtless efficient pipework put in place by Rose Mechanical. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next week.